Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting sprouting video, we have another structure being added in the garden called Magidome or Magidome. I don't know the actual pronunciation of it, but I do know that it's a very unique structure and I would love it in my garden. And I did not film this process, but yes, we did completely renew my garden. Everything's leveled out, there's no weeds, there's no pots, there's nothing. And so now it's time to build another structure in here, and there's great things coming to this. So a huge shout out to Magidome for partnering with us on this video. Their social media links / media links are down below for you guys to check out. So let me go ahead and jump right into this video. Guys, here is where the thing is going to be installed. So here's the huge thing where it's going to be installed. We have the connectors over there in that area, but here's where it's going to be installed. I'm going to set up the camera for you guys to see the entire construction. Are back and finishing off this video. Yesterday the light was finishing, so we couldn't finish off the video there, but we finally completed the Magidome, and I'm really happy on how it came out. And so ready for the final reveal. I'm very excited, so I'm gonna show you it. So this is part one of the Magidome completion in a way, because this was the installing, and then we're gonna do another part of planting it up, and then we're gonna have another part, and but those are gonna be later. So guys, here's the final product. I absolutely love how it came out. The structure is amazing. So this is gonna be the door right here where I'm gonna be walking in. There's a little flexible pipe right there because there's gonna be irrigation installed in here. Plants will be put in the inside and outside, so stay tuned for part 2 to be shown what we're gonna be putting in the outside and how we're gonna do it. And so yeah, here's the final product. Once again, a huge shout out to Magidome for partnering with us on this video and sending me the connectors. It means so much to me. Thank you guys so much. And I love this structure here because it brings some type of unique structure in the garden, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Once again, part 2 will be coming up on the planting, so please stay tuned with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.